DIY with doing. So today we have a new car cover. This is by Coverado. So it has pretty good reviews on Amazon, and I needed something to cover our car. So I have a tarp on there as well. Usually I put a car cover over the tarp. I used to use more expensive car covers. This one here is by COVERKING, and it lasted almost a year. This has been used 24/7 every day, sitting in Florida heat. So you can start seeing the material is kind of breaking down. It's getting rips. Random rips here and there. But yeah, this is the Coverbond car cover. And it's time for another one. Let's go ahead and check it out. So with these little straps up here, so it comes like this. So you have to put these straps there. So there's a middle one too, but I can't really reach it. There's a weird back one. I wish it came off. Like if this came off, it'd be much easier to attach to the other side. So probably not even gonna use that one. Maybe if we have a hurricane or something.